Yo, sneakerheads and comfort seekers. If you're tired of shoes that look good but wreck your feet after a few hours, then listen up. Today, we're diving into the best, most comfortable shoes of 2025, from Hoka's Cloudlight Clifton 9 to Nike's sleek Vomero 18 and more. I've tested these kicks for running, walking, commuting, and just chilling, looking at cushioning, support, breathability, and durability. Stick around because we're about to break down which shoes feel like walking on clouds and which ones actually deliver real-world comfort. Let's kick things off with the Hoka Clifton 9, a shoe that literally feels like you're walking on marshmallows. Right out of the box, the stacked EVA midsole provides insane cushioning without making the shoe feel clunky. I ran a few miles and instantly noticed how soft yet responsive each step felt. The engineered mesh upper is breathable and keeps feet cool, while the gusseted tongue prevents any annoying slippage. Heel-to-toe transitions are smooth, making this shoe perfect for long walks, runs, or all-day standing jobs. Real-world test. I wore them for a 12-hour city outing. My feet were fresh and pain-free the entire day. Want cloud-like comfort for every step? Check out the Hoka Clifton 9 in the description. Next up, the ASICS Gel-Nimbus 27, a runner's dream that doubles as a daily comfort sneaker. These are packed with FF Blast Plus cushioning, giving you a springy and smooth ride. I tested them on both pavement and treadmill runs, and the impact absorption is next level. The engineered jacquard mesh upper hugs your foot like a glove, while the hybrid ASICS grip outsole ensures solid traction. What I love most? The balance of soft cushioning with responsive energy return. Your feet don't just float, they propel you forward. Great for runners, commuters, or anyone on their feet all day. Need cushioning that works for both running and daily wear? Grab the ASICS Gel-Nimbus 27 through the link in the description. Ladies, check out the Nike Vomero 18. It's basically a cloud for your feet with a dash of style. Featuring dual-layered midsole foam with Zoom X on top of React X, this shoe is like a trampoline for your steps. I tested it on city streets and even on uneven surfaces. The cushioning absorbed impact perfectly. The engineered mesh upper offers zonal breathability, keeping feet cool while supporting high arches. Heel-to-toe transitions, smooth as butter. Bonus. The aesthetic is sleek enough to pair with casual wear, gym outfits, or even a dress for a sporty chic look. Want to combine style with insane comfort? Check out the Nike Vomero 18 in the description. If you're into minimalist and everyday casual shoes, the Adidas Cloudfoam Pure is a killer option. The Cloudfoam midsole is soft but not mushy, giving just the right balance between comfort and responsiveness. The upper is flexible and sock-like, hugging your foot for a snug fit without tight spots. Real-world testing. I wore these all day on errands, light hikes, and casual walks. They never felt heavy or restrictive. Slip them on in the morning, and your feet stay comfy all day. Bonus. They look clean and versatile, perfect for casual outfits or streetwear. Want lightweight comfort with a sleek look? Grab the Adidas Cloudfoam Pure in the description. Finally, let's talk about the Nike Promina, a shoe built for walking enthusiasts and urban explorers. The tall foam stack and rocker outsole provide cushioned propulsion with every step, making it feel like you're gliding. I tested them on long city walks, light jogging, and even commuting, and my feet felt supported throughout. The breathable mesh upper prevents overheating, while the durable rubber outsole grips surfaces well, even wet pavements. If you're walking miles every day or just want a shoe that doesn't leave your feet sore after errands, the Promina is perfect. Need a walking shoe that feels effortless and supports every step? Check out the Nike Promina via the description. So there you have it. The Hoka Clifton 9 is perfect if you want cloud-like cushioning for long walks or running. The ASICS Gel-Nimbus 27 is ideal for high-impact activities and commuting. The Nike Vomero 18 combines comfort with style, perfect for city streets or workouts. For lightweight, casual wear, the Adidas Cloudfoam Pure delivers all-day comfort with flexibility. And for serious walking or urban commuting, the Nike Promina has your back with its rocker sole and cushioned ride. Check the description for links to all these shoes and grab the pair that suits your lifestyle.